Mr. Birla is a known name all across India and around the world. As an organization, this organization touches almost 11 million people from the CSR program itself. But more important is he's running an organization which is doing roughly $66 billion in revenue with over $100 billion market cap. Mr. Birla has been with the organization for the last 30 years, and he has increased the turnover of the organization by 30 times. But more important is he is the single largest investor from India into the United States. The group has invested over $15 billion and continue to invest in the US. But more important is an organization whose culture is very accepting, whose culture is basically trying to look at the welfare, not only just of its employees, but of the community. So the effort they put in, as I mentioned earlier, they touch over 11 million people annually trying to help the welfare of those people itself. So we're proud that you are here, Mr. Birla. We're proud that you're part of the USISPF Board and Executive Committee. Congratulations. And John, over to you here.
It's great. Congratulations. Thank you. Can I keep it here?
Put one picture on it. Did you get the picture I said?
Over this?
He missed the picture.
Good evening. It's wonderful to be here in DC, and I'm honored to accept the 2025 USISPF Global Leadership Award. I extend my gratitude to the USISPF and to all of you distinguished guests gathered here tonight. And I believe that this recognition in some ways is a powerful reminder of the extraordinary potential of the India-US partnership. In my view, the United States and India represent the two most dynamic economies in the world today. For us, the PERMA bets, or permanent bets, as we call it at the Aditya Birla Group. Both are driven by innovation, talent, and the sheer force of entrepreneurial ambition. The synergies between our two nations across trade, technology, and manufacturing are essential to shaping a more prosperous global future. At the Aditya Birla Group, we believe that the United States is an incredibly attractive location for long-term investment, and we are very proud to be the largest Indian investor in the US. Our journey in this market started 18 years ago when we acquired what was then a loss-making aluminum rolling company called Novelis. Today, Novelis alone is an $18 billion behemoth with an annual capacity of 4.1 million tons, and more striking still, it is the world's largest aluminum recycling company, recycling 82 billion cans annually. Each time I visit the US, I'm reminded of why it is the land of opportunity, and we continue to back that belief with action. At Bay Minette in Alabama, we have an ongoing project of $4.1 billion for an integrated aluminum rolling mill, a 3,000-acre testament to our ambition. This is our largest greenfield venture in any location, anywhere on the planet. We chose America because we believe in the strength, in the stability and promise of this nation. This is the biggest industrial bet ever placed in Alabama's history. And today, over 1,000 contractors are shaping that vision on the ground as we speak. And by the end of this year, we expect that number to double. I see this plant as a real catalyst for the region, 1,000 permanent jobs, a resurgent local economy, new roads, a hotel under construction, developers lining up. Our commitment, frankly, is beyond just capital. We are investing in people and we are investing in communities and long-term impact. That's how we operate everywhere in the world. And frankly, this is how globalization should be, not a zero-sum game, but as shared prosperity. Our actions and our investments only reveal our deep-rooted commitment to the US and to the broader US-India partnership as well. I would like to thank the quiet force behind our journey, our 5,400 American colleagues. Their dedication anchors our presence here in the United States. To be recognized tonight is not just a personal honor, it is a recognition of what I believe our two nations can accomplish through our long-standing partnership. The journey ahead is full of promise, and I'm energized by what we can build together. Thank you.